Hey, how's everybody going? Mike's Fishing Home here. I ordered a bunch of stuff in the mail, as some of you know already, for a later thing I want to do. Plus some stuff I wanted to invest in what I'm doing out there. Trying to bring a better show for you when I'm out there on the water. Things like that. So I guess this would be an unboxing. I'm going to start with two of the community member things that I purchased. One is just a t-shirt. You start with that. Got the old Mike Turner t-shirt. That's my first community member stuff. I'll get more stuff eventually when I can. This was my first one. And the other community member, Brad Caudill with the sinkers. I got 10 pounds of the 4-ounce coins and 5 pounds of the 2-ounce coins. Gonna be doing some of those for y'all, and obviously keeping some for myself. I'll go ahead and open it up and show a sinker. Alright, that was beautiful. There's the 4-ounce. Just your standard coin sinker there. Got your 2 ounces. Real nice and easy to put on sinker slides. Alrighty. Gonna move on to the multi-box. I ordered a bunch of stuff to have it come in one shipment. Basically got some nice little swim baits there. Got the old Mustad 10 O's, 10 aught. Got 3 packages of the old 40-pound Berkeley big gang. Now on to some of the cooler stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with unpacking all that right now. I'll just show you what's in there though. Should be able to see that. It is a solar power generator basically. It was 84 watt hours. It's got lights with it. It's got USBs for charging, all that. It will run 1 lamp for 40 hours, 2 lamps for 20 hours, or all 3 lamps for 14 hours. So that's going to get you all the time you need overnight. So that's going to be pretty nice. Handheld digital camera. This has 4K. It's got night vision. It's got Wi-Fi. I'm not going to bust it all out there, but just go ahead and show the flip screen, see how good it is. There we go, not too bad. This one I believe has the noise reducing and all of that stuff. At least it did in the picture. Yeah, here it is. Got your noise reducer for the camera. I mean, for the microphone and all that jazz. So that should be pretty nifty. And that will be considered my second device, I'm assuming, when I want to do the Wi-Fi, turn my phone into the Wi-Fi hotspot. These here came as a pack of 2. They're Blacklight floodlights, 20 watts for each of them. We'll see how that lights up. Should be pretty good, I'm assuming. Like I said, there's 2 of those. I put 1 on each side. Should do pretty well, hopefully. And then the old Conpex Light setup, to where you can put that light way above you, point it down, cover the whole area. You know, I went ahead and also bought an adapter, the old lighter to the AC power adapter. There we go. I'll plug that in, turn it into AC. Maybe I put that right into that charging station stuff I got over there. I believe that's about it. Like I said, came into a little chance. I supported as much as I could on here for a few people. Got another Lou ride coming soon. Got Brad, Mike Turner shirt, and then I was gonna make sure I invest some in myself so I can get serious when I'm out there. Anyways, I'll go ahead and end it there. I know normally you break it all out and show all of it, but you'll see that when I'm out there fishing. So thanks a lot again for the support you guys have been showing me back. Appreciate it.